In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product or service item in Xero. To begin, log into your Xero account so you're working in the right organization and currency. Once you're in, head to the sales area. This is where you manage everything you sell, including invoices and the catalog of items you use on them. Inside sales, open products and services. Think of this as your item library. Adding items here saves time later and keeps your invoices consistent and accurate. Next, click New Item to start a fresh entry. You'll see a form with fields that help Xero understand exactly what you're selling. Start with the item code. This is a short, unique identifier, like a SKU or shorthand, that makes searching quick and prevents mix-ups. Keep it simple and consistent, using a pattern that makes sense for your business. Add the product or service name. This is the label your team and your customers will see, so keep it clear and recognizable. Then enter the description. Use plain, customer-friendly language to explain what's included. If your pricing depends on units or time, you can mention that here, for example, per hour, per unit, or per project. So quotes and invoices are easy to read. Now add the sales price. Enter the standard amount you charge. Whether this is tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive will follow your organization's settings. So enter the number that matches how you typically quote. Don't worry, you can override the price on individual invoices if needed. Select the sales account next. This is the revenue account in your chart of accounts, where this income will be recorded. Choose the most accurate category, such as sales of products or sales of services, to keep your reporting clean and meaningful. Choose the tax rate that applies to this item. Pick the rate that reflects how you're required to charge your customers: standard, reduced, zero-rated, or no tax as appropriate. Getting this right now helps prevent invoice corrections later. If you also purchase this item from suppliers, enter the purchase price. This is what you typically pay, which can be helpful for margins. Then select the purchase account, usually a cost of goods sold or expense account that aligns with how you track costs. Before finishing, review the product or service details. Check spelling, pricing, the chosen accounts, and the tax rate to make sure everything lines up with your policies. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new item is now added to products and services and ready to use on quotes and invoices.